This is how my new Segway cargo bike arrived. Never had a bike actually arrive like this before. Had bikes come in boxes, like, hey, we have this event in right here in a box. That's normally how I'm used to bikes showing up. This is crazy because it came on a semi truck, came off like assembled, and there's a little package in the back with all the stuff. Keys are on here and everything. So yeah, this is it. Looks pretty neat. I've never seen, you know, like a bike actually designed like this. The frame is hollow here. Let's bust it out. It's got a short tail cargo build, interesting frame build, something super unique I've never seen before. 750 watt motor, keyless airlock security, and regenerative braking. The wildest part though, it has adaptive hill descent. It automatically manages your downhill speed so you don't even have to touch the brakes. It's a completely different way to ride. So we are good. I'm gonna try riding it now. Ooh, it's wispy. Oh, it's like my toggle button. Music? I was gonna say, it has like a legit speaker on it. Nav? Okay, now I have to put in my password. So now technically I can put in my ice cream shop. Sick. And now it's gonna show me where I'm at, I guess. It's kind of cool. I guess you have to use it within the Segway app, but then you got something. So far, the bike is really fun. I compare it to like the Rad Power Rad Runner, the first edition, like the one with no shocks. Similar color too to the one I have. I made a video on that one too, but I really like that bike, and this has a similar feel. Scooter-like, easy to get on and off. It's lightweight. It's not this like awkward position. Like you're actually chilling on there. That's why I always like that Rad Power. So yeah, the ride is fun. So you have your throttle and stuff just as normal, pedal assist, like a thumb trigger throttle, but real easy to ride. And it has all kinds of stuff built into it. So it's got like alarms in there that you can set and all kinds of different stuff. Lots of cool stuff on there. If that's your thing, checking all that out too. So yeah, so far I think it's fun. Yeah, so it got a little bit dark and the thing just fired right up. So that was really cool. It's got all kinds of smart features built in. That's what I think sets this thing apart. Okay, so here's what I got set up right now. I've got the Segway, water, lock in the back, Soul's on his Active Best, and we're about to cruise straight down Route 66. So this is the Red Fork Depot. There's some train stuff here. Some cool Route 66 stuff. And then they have a bike trail going along this historic village place. Cars, rip it, come with me. Let's go. Here's our highway. No, just drive enjoyable. What the heck? Drag rate. This Segway though, like seriously, thing is like incredible handling. I don't know, feels good. And the frame, the way it's positioned is weird. It's good. Good, really responsive motor and stuff. I should pedal a little bit. I'm not pedaling at all. It'd be fun. All right, come on over here. We're gonna go get lunch.
That's summer moon coffee, and we got this frozen chai, vanilla flavored.
Okay, so we're gonna go downtown, show them how to hit the streets, show them how we ride, how we did it back in the day, boys. We're gonna hit the straightaway, do some drag racing, time trials, burnouts. We'll see who wins. Holy crap, it's hot. Very hot. I like the little lever here too for, you don't have to twist your wrist like this thing. Pretty cool. Segway bikes, guys, they're looking pretty nice. I actually love the feel of it, love the geometry and the ride of it. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get it, just go ahead and look in the description. I'm gonna put links to everything, and we're gonna keep riding and having fun. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.